Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on battery saver on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the settings, then go to battery, then go to current mode and you can set it to battery saver. So it will disable just some features in order to save the battery, but you can also set it to ultra battery saver. Then click on OK. And it will get you to this mode, which will be enabled in a moment. And it will make your screen much darker and disable most of the phone's features. It will only leave you with these apps, the phone, contacts and messages. You can also click on add to add some apps that are important to you, but only the ones that are important. Disable all of the unimportant ones because they will drain battery. So I'm gonna enable the Chrome, camera and the gallery, then click on done, and here I have all of my apps and I can open them, use them, etc. And to exit the mode, click on exit. This mode prolongs your battery life by more than twice, so it's really good for saving your battery. But you will most probably only want to enable that when you are very low on battery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.